In this video, we'll talk about 5 ways to tackle hunger pangs during fasting. Hunger is for a short time and it will only last about 20 minutes. Most people are unaware of this as they don't let hunger last long enough. If at all, make sure the meals you eat are filled with high quality, low carbohydrates, high protein, fiber, and high fat meals in between fasts. This will stabilize blood sugars, promote feelings of fullness, and make fasting smoother. You can sidestep these sugar and hormone-induced hunger pangs by improving sleep quality and practice stress-reducing techniques. Staying busy helps keep the hunger at bay. Keep yourself active and flowing. 8 to 10 hours a busy work day can fly when you are busy. Keep yourself doing things and food will be the last thing on your mind. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day can help suppress hunger pangs. Sometimes our body confuses thirst with hunger, so by staying well hydrated, you can reduce the intensity of hunger signals. Consume filling foods. Choose foods that are high in fiber and protein as they tend to keep you feeling fuller longer. Include foods like whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and vegetables in your meals to help curb hunger pangs during fasting. Eat balanced meals. Ensure that your meals during non-fasting periods are balanced and provide a good mix of macronutrients including healthy fats, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates can help regulate your blood sugar levels and keep you satisfied for an extended period. Opt for smaller frequent meals. Instead of having 3 large meals, consider dividing your food intake into smaller, more frequent meals or snacks. This approach can help prevent extreme hunger pangs by providing a steady source of energy throughout the day. Distract yourself. Engaging in activities that divert your attention away from food can be helpful in managing hunger pangs. Stay busy with work, hobbies, or exercise to keep your mind occupied and minimize thoughts of food. Additionally, engaging in relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing can definitely help reduce the intensity of hunger pang and the sensations of hunger. So thanks for watching. I hope this video is useful for you. I'll see you again. Until then, bye bye.